Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to get birthday notifications on Facebook. For that, you need to open the Facebook application, and once you open and sign in on Facebook, on the upper right corner you will see the three-line icon. Tap on it. If you want that other people to get the notification of your birthday, then you need to tap on see your profile on the top of the menu, and you need to scroll down. Here you can see on the details, see your about info. Just tap on it. This will take you to the about info page of your Facebook. Here under the basic info there is gender and the date of birth. Tap on edit on this basic info, and now here you can see that your date of birth has been set on public. If you want to set your year of birthday to be on public, then you need to tap on friends of friends, and you can set on friends on public or friends of friends. For now, tap on public, and now you can tap on save. So now everyone can get notification of your birthday. If you want to get notification of your friend's birthday, then what you can do is scroll down and tap on setting and privacy. Now you need to tap on settings. This will take you to the setting page of Facebook. Scroll down and under preferences you will see notifications. Tap on that, and here what notification you received. Under that you will see birthdays. Tap on it. This will take you to the birthdays notification page on Facebook. Toggle on allow notifications on Facebook, and now you will receive the birthday notification of your friends on the Facebook also. Following this step, you can easily receive the birthday notifications on the Facebook. If this video was useful for you, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you.